Hello friends, myself Gauri Sonane from Kekewa College Arts, Commerce, Science and Computer Science College, Bhavsab Nagar, Pimples, Ramache. My subject is agricultural chemistry and chapter number 6 is the plant protection of plant. Firstly, the basics of plant protection in insect, the classification according to the eating habitats and mouth parts. Second is the chewing subtype, it is the risping and the chewing grass is a hopper's larvae. Borers, stem borers, leaf miners, fruit borers, and weevils, cutters, terminates. Next is the chewing. Primitive mouth parts for holding and chewing in the borum, a cover which may be loosely referred to as upper lips, mandibles, hard, powerful cutting jaws, and the maxillae presses with are less powerful than the mandibles. They are used to steady and the manipulate of a food. They have a five segmented palm which is sensory and often concerned with the taste, and labium and the lower cover after referred to as the lower lip. It actually represents the fused pair of the ancestral second maxillae. They have a three segment pulp which is also sensory. Next is the modified chewers. Firstly, insect larvae. Second is the termite cutting type, and last one is the weevil. This is the modified chewers. Next one is the siphoning. Rolled proboscis made from the highly modified maxillae. Siphoning insect don't prize but suck the nectar from the flowers. For example of the siphoning is the moths and butterfly. Spogging is the surface sucking, and the proboscis converted into the absorbent sponge feed in the surface of the liquid or the wet area. Example of the housefly, fruit fly, and the Drosophila. Next is the pursing and sucking. It is the Pyris is the surface of the suck and the sap from the plant, mostly found under the lip or on the tender shoot, causes secondary infection by the providing entry point to the pathogens and by acting as vectors of viral diseases. For example of the pursing and sucking is the example of aphid jacids, white fly trips. That is the example. Next is the diagrammatically how the knowledge of the feeding habitat helps in control strategy of a pest. All agrochemicals act on a persist in a one or more out of the following ways. First one is the contact. Agrochemical kills the insect by physical contact or by fumes or both stomach. And second one is the stomach. When the insect injects the plant part or bed laced with insecticide. And last one is the systemic. Firstly, when insecticide is absorbed in the whole plant sap, the insect suck the poison sap of the plant. Next one is which of the type of agrochemical to use is the rasping and chewing. Second is the boring, cutting, and last one is the forcing and sucking. This is the types of agrochemical use. Next one is the characteristics of types of agrochemicals. Firstly, contact, stomach, and systemic. Highly toxic and mostly fumigant action, that is the contact. It has to reach the target pest directly during spraying. It is non-selective and kills non-target organism also. Second is the stomach has to cover the entire plant so that any part eaten by insect may carry it to insect system. Next one is the systemic has to be applied either through roots or through the foliage so that it permits the phloem, sap and sap to predators and non-target organism. This is the characteristics of the agrochemicals. Categorization of pesticide. First one color lower is a triangle. Next one toxicity class. Oral is a LD50 value, that is the oral dose. Next one is a single word upper half and warming words outside the diamond, that is the poison, dangers and potion. This is the categorized of the pesticides color. Next one is the common pesticide red, yellow, blue and green. The red color of the pesticide is the monocroptose. It is a DDVP, methyl parentheon, phorate and the carbofuran, zinc phosphide. Second one is the yellow color. It is a chlorophyllops, cymomethrine and the cartap hydrochloride, quinamphos. Blue color, it is the melanthrion, carbaryl and the dicophol and the thiazomethaxane, carbendazimine, copper oxychloride, methoxyl glycophosphate and the tridomethapone. This is the blue color. And last one is the green color pesticide, that is the moncozeb, sulfur benomyl and the chloranthalonil and oxyfluorophane. It is a neem based formulations. Next one are the first one is the fungus, bacteria, viruses, nematodes, MLO and the rodents. First one is the fungus. Parasitic fungi causes largest number of the diseases in the plant, causing mild to fatal damage to the plant. Next one is the fungi enters the plant through a natural opening such as the stoma, that is the microscopic air pore, and in a leaf is the lenticule, small opening through the dark, in a stem, a broken plant hair or a hair socket, in a fruit or a wound in the plant. That is the fungal diseases and their symptoms. It is the Droville mildew, power of the mildews, smut, rust, wilts, blight. That is the fungal diseases. Next one is the bacteria. Only a few bacterial diseases. It is the crown gall, leaf blight, wheat, and the leaf spot and the cankers. That is the viruses consist of the genetic material covered by a protection coating. For a protection, it has no cell structure and can be reproduced only inside a living host cell. Second is the virus frequently transform into the crystalline form, having the characteristics of the non-living substance, and when we get a live cell and they proliferate just like a living organism. Viruses is a virtually indestructible as they use and host cell to replicate in the plant. It is economically unviable to kill the viruses. Only its spread through the vectors and mainly insect can be prevented. And next point is that there is the remedy available for viral diseases. Only its symptoms can be suppressed for some time. And next is it is the advisable to either burn and bury the plant affected by viruses and control vectors such as white fly. And next is the trips etc. for the preventing further spread, resistance and the tolerant varieties to be used whenever is available. That is the viral diseases. Other diseases causing agent is the nematodes and the molia disease of the wheat root and not tomatoes and the mycoplasma like the organism. Little leaf diseases for the brinjal. Physiological agent, that is heat, sun, cold and the hormone imbalance, nutrition deficiency and chemical etc. are the other diseases causing agent for the other disease causing agent for the plant protection. Thank you for and watching.